All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at ML drums. This is the free version here. Killer drum kit, 4 drums, hi-hat, crash, ride, and a China cymbal. Now, as you can see here, there's empty slots. If you buy the essential pack, which is relatively very cheap and expensive, I should say, you get 2 more toms, another floor tom, so a 7-piece drum kit, a lot more cymbals, a lot of more. Is that a word or a group of words? Anyways, something really cool about this kit here, aside that it's free, we have the mixer here, and they have lots of stuff in here that you can do on each channel. So we got our kick here, we have a saturation for it, we have a compressor with attack, threshold, release, we have a reverb send, we have a room overhead, and then we have a 3 EQ, 3-band EQ basically, with the Q frequency, high, mid, and low. And we have that for the snare, we have that for the toms, we have the hi-hat as well, with no compression for that one. This is the room mics. It has the compressor on it as well, reverb send, and the compressor on the master out. Now, another really cool thing is when you do this in multiple outs, you could mix, I like to do, with this plugin in particular, I could mix the drums within the song and then do a multi-out. And when you switch it to multi-out mode, it just kind of, I'm using Logic, so I'm not sure how it would work in other DAWs. When I switched here, multi-out, it reroutes everything really quickly. I'll show you here in a second. So I'm going to go with my mixer. And in Logic, you just add these. And then I should play the kit. I have to label them. That's the only thing I have to do. Like, that's the kick, I think. Yeah, kick there. So really quickly, it routes the outputs. Obviously, you have to label them. That's about it. And then you have the kit ready to go in the multi-mode, which is super cool because then you can do even more stuff. You could do your side chain to the bass, guitar, or whatever you want to do with the kick drum here. And then do, your stuff, whatever you're going to do, the mixing, whatever you want to call it. Now, there's only a default. The essential presets here are, if you buy the essential drum pack, which is the next level up. They also have MIDI too, I should say here. MIDI mapping for different Steve Slate drums, for example, Easy Drummer 3. So if you have MIDI from those, easy to throw into this here, little shop here to buy the essential pack. And they have other sets of stuff, the Yamaha kit, all kind of other stuff. But super cool. Oh, and in the free version, you don't get, well, I do get another snare, I guess, here. Let's see. Ooh, that's really crispy, tight. Let's play that, see what that sounds like. They have different tunings if you buy the pack, but you get 2 snares here in the free version. One's that really high pitched one, although it says mid. And then we have this snare here, that the default one, which is at 300 hertz. And these tunings as well, if you buy it, they're not just pitching. They actually tune the drums and sample them at different pitches, rather than just like, taking a pitch shifter and dialing it up a bit. So this sounds awesome. I made my own preset here for this. So here's what the default was. Missing drums. Oops. What? Okay, back to the default. So that sounds awesome, but maybe I want to add some saturation to the snare. Just blow it out, see what happens. Maybe we want to scoop some EQ out of the mid-range. Got the Q here as well. I typically do that drastically. Actually, I'm on the low. I can't see. I need to. All right. Well, yeah. Let's go down here. Drag that up. Put a big Q on that. See what happens. And we also have on the snare, we have the top and bottom, like a sub mixer here, master fader as well for that. So maybe we don't want the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And then toms, we have a group of toms, but then we also have the panning for the toms as well individually here. So the mixer is pretty cool, especially for a free plugin. I mean, and again, the kit you buy is not that expensive. In fact, I'm probably going to buy it myself here in a bit once I'm done playing with this. So yeah, it's super cool. Great for like your rock music, your country music, anything that with, you know, that big, I guess, I don't know, arena rock kind of drum sound. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.